Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches. And today I have a double unboxing, a double G-Shock unboxing. I've gone G-Shock crazy over the last week or so. I bought, well, here's two that I bought, and I bought a couple more before in the last couple weeks. Probably have 4 or 5 G-Shocks in total in the last couple of weeks. So it's been crazy, man. And it all started because I did a review of a Mudmaster that my friend Michael had sent in, and previous to that, I was a G-Shock Square kind of guy. The other ones didn't appeal to me because they were so big, but I wore the Mudmaster and I'm like, I could do this. I could do this. I could wear this. So the first one I got here is the GBDH1000-1A7. It's the, yeah, it's the heart rate one. It's the G-Shock Move. I kind of dig the way it looks, and I've I've been doing a lot more cardio kind of like work. My wife bought a Peloton years ago, and I'm starting to ride it more often. I've taken a break from lifting weights a little bit, and so I want to be able to determine what my heart rate is to make sure I'm getting a good workout. Now the Peloton came with one of those heart rate monitors that strap across your chest, and they're pretty uncomfortable. So I want to see how this works, and I think I'm gonna do a video where I am using both of those devices, this one and the one that straps around your chest on the Peloton, and see how they compare. Wow, this is really cool, man. This is really really cool. This is also a solar watch. Wow, that is awesome. That is awesome. I can't wait to test this thing out and give it a review. This is great. Awesome. Um, Now let me unbox the other one. Now the other one I've been looking forward to for a really long time. Um, and I decided to pull the trigger on it, and it's the GWFA 1000-1A. This is the Frogman. Uh, I was scared to pull the trigger on this one for a while because of the sizing, but again, trying out that Mudmaster and now owning a Mudmaster, I can totally get away with doing it. Um, and so this one, ooh yeah, oh man, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Hold on, Bobby Legs, don't get too crazy. Keep it measured, keep it measured. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I can tell already. Oh man. Ho 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 ho. Look at this thing. Oh, come on. You really gonna put a little plastic thing on it? You gonna do this to me right now in the middle of an unboxing video? No, don't do this to me. Alright, let me see if I could just like carefully. There we go. Sometimes you have to be like an animal. And then look, they even plastic covered the buckle here. What the dealio? What the dealio? I haven't said that in forever. Holy cow. Let's get this on. Hand tag. Don't be stupid. Alright. Oh, this is a solid watch, man. This is no joke. Holy cow. This is no joke, man. I am into it. I am in love. This is a solid watch. Holy cow. That is awesome. I may have found my new favorite G-Shock. Wow. Wow. So cool. Look forward to doing several reviews coming your way. I can't wait to, man, I'm just gonna wear this for the rest of my life. Why not? I'm kidding, but not. Anyway, guys, thanks for sticking in for the review. I mean, for the unboxing, and I'll see you guys with review soon. Take care.